Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. This is not the project that I have planned. It's currently 5 o'clock on Thursday evening. You're seeing this on Friday morning. I had planned an unboxing video. I'm going to tell you more about that in a second because I want to stamp my adorable little Toadstools first. Okay, so cut a piece of cardstock. Cut a piece of cardstock in half. I've lost the other half now. I'm all of a dither. Cut it in half and score it in half and burnish. And my husband's in the house, the children are in the house, the cat's away, all of them. And then you need 2 layers of basic white that are, because I'm British and metric, 1/2 centimetre shorter and narrower than the base of my folded cardstock. If you're working imperial, maybe 1/8 of an inch. 2 of those, 1 for the outside, 1 for the inside, and we're not going to mess up like I did for my sample last week. Okay, let me get my Toadstools stamped up because I want the ink to dry. Okay, so I'm working with blends. And so therefore I want to work with Memento. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Oh, that's the wrong way. I'm just going to zoom in a bit. I'm probably going to go all wibbly off camera. So I'm going to eyeball the centre. And eyeball the edge, the far right and then the far left. And hope I'm roughly on the same horizontal line. And then fit one each in the middle, or one between each of those. Okay, oh, I might do my butterflies while I'm here because I've got it all going on. Let's stick another toadstool down here for the inside. And then what's my wording going to be? Finding a friend is the best discovery of all. It absolutely is. So let's get that the right way round. Stamp my butterfly. Off there. Okay, so while I pull out blends, funny little story. So, I was expecting to get today my brand new box full of gorgeous goodies from Stampin' Up. I'd paid extra for overnight delivery because I really wanted it quickly. I wanted to be able to work with it this weekend. Don't want those ones, I want fresh freesia. And yeah, it's out for delivery today. Is that fresh freesia? It is. Out for delivery today, along with, very excitingly, my gifts from Stampin' Up. This is Bubble Bath. I love this colour. Yeah, along with my incentive trip gifts, because they're giving us the gifts before we get on the boat this year. I'm not really sure of the reason why, but that's what they're doing. So, merrily, happily, excitedly waiting for my order all day long. Lemon lolly, can't remember, soft sea foam, I think that's boho blue, balmy blue, fresh freesia, bubble bath. So I'm happily waiting for my delivery all day, my 2 deliveries, my overnight expedited order. And apparently, well, I want dark first. Apparently, my address is wrong. The same address I've had for more than 6 years. I have had hundreds of parcels delivered here from Stampin' Up. I haven't changed my address at any point in time. I'm laying down dark. Oh, I might zoom in a little bit more. Am I going to get... No, there we go. I haven't changed my address. Stampin' Up hasn't changed my address. It's all the same. But no, apparently on those 2 deliveries my address is incorrect. And because I'm not the sender, I can't change them. Do you know what that's code for? That's code for the driver didn't stop in my town or missed my delivery, didn't realise for hours and went, oops, and can't be bothered to come back. So I'm really sorry you're not getting the unboxing video today that I had planned. That's now going to come out on Monday, but instead you're getting this one, and I had already made this version and filmed it for TikTok, which is my new fun place to be. And so I create videos for TikTok and Instagram, and sometimes I put them here on YouTube. So if you're watching this on YouTube rather than my blog. Sometimes you see them there as well. And yeah, I'd already done that and filmed it. Not planning to share it for some time yet. I'm using it now. So yeah, everybody is in the house. Actually, Luke isn't. He's on a study trip today. Every other person is in the house, obviously at this time. What time is it? Oh no, it's 4:30. 4:30 on 4:30 on Thursday the 4th of, oopsie. 4:30 Thursday the 4th of May. Yeah, everybody's in the house. And here's the thing, the cats are awake. I film when the cats are asleep. Isn't that ridiculous? So, yeah, but yeah, I have spoken to Stampin' Up, who said, yeah, we'll see what we can do. But UPS is shut to them. I think they stopped talking to outside world come, I don't know, whatever time. So, yeah, hopefully it will arrive tomorrow. It'll be exciting when it is. So yeah, I'd planned to unbox it all, film it and share it with you all, because I think that helps. I have done videos in the past where I've split it and I've shown you new punches or new paper or new... Oh, okay. Apparently I'm also showing you how to not have that happen. What's that? It's dark soft seafoam. There we go. I'm just going to throw it about. Yeah, so I've split them before, but this isn't a massive order for me, but it's more stuff. And I thought, do you know what? I haven't done an unboxing video in forever. And I thought that would be quite fun to share, but apparently not. UPS has got other ideas. In normal circumstances, I probably wouldn't have been all that bothered. The irony of the fact that it was actually due yesterday, it was due Wednesday. But we'll talk about that another time. Not now. And, you know, I don't go on the incentive trip for another 2 and a bit weeks. So that's not urgent. I'm not particularly worried about that. I know it will arrive, other than the fact I'm trying to dodge seeing spoilers from other demos who've received theirs and they're sharing on social media. Other than that, I'm trying to, you know, I'm not overly worried. It's just really frustrating. So, but you're getting Toadstools instead. And, you know, this is an old set that has been around for a while. I don't even remember what it's called. Happy Hedgehogs. There is a punch that matches one of the hedgehogs. I want to say it's that one. But I like the Toadstools. If you know anything about me, you know I like Toadstools. Okay, let's colour in my butterfly while I'm here. So I'm just splodging different colours on. There's a bit of blue, we'll have a bit of, no we won't have green, we'll have yellow, blue and yellow, and maybe a flash of pink just because we can. Oh, I've got to colour in that toadstool as well. Oops, forgot about that one. Oh dear. I'll have a pink toadstool too while I've got this in my hand. But I just thought this was quite a nice little project. I just wanted to share a rainbow of toadstools. Like I say, for TikTok and for my reels. I'm thoroughly enjoying those. You all know me quite well if you've followed me for any length of time. There's a reason why it's only my hands that come on video. I'm not the most confident people in the world. And I've always kind of thought I'm quite boring. Nobody really wants to know about me on social media. They like my cats. And I just thought maybe it's time to step outside my comfort zone a little bit. And while I'm still not on camera, still not confident there, what do I want? I want some mossy meadow, light mossy meadow, and I want some thing else. Here we go. Shaded spruce. Yeah, I'm still not the most confident of people. And, you know, just scribble those a little bit. Oh, I need that in a minute. A little bit of this. So I still don't plan to share me on camera, but yeah, it's quite fun to just stick the camera on when I'm doing something or when I found something fun. Everybody likes cute stationery, so you know, you all seem to be liking it when I'm sharing my finds. Amazon usually, WH Smith's recently, and I want a couple of browns. Which ones are these? Light crumb cake. So yeah, it's kind of fun to just literally stick a camera on and go for it. And just film the ordinary bit about the day and share why, if I found something helpful, why I find it helpful. Repositionable, transparent sticky tabs are the current favourite for my diary. I'm forever having to change my plans. I try and stick to my plans for the week, but sometimes I have to change. Let me zoom out a little bit. Sometimes I have to change my plans, today being a good example. And yeah, I write on transparent sticky tabs all of my plans for the week, or my basic plans for the week, put them in my diary, and then if I need to change anything or change, you know, what I'm doing when I'm doing it, I don't want to, you know, scribble all over my diary. So having the repositionable sticky notes means that I just reposition the sticky note, just move it. So I shared that recently, so everybody seems to be enjoying that. Right, I've chatted away about all sorts of everything and nothing, and changed the layout of my colours very slightly. That was my original one. So I was kind of going red, yellow, green, blue, and I always feel that purple fits better next to pink, but I just changed it very slightly. So I've moved the red round, so instead of being red, yellow, green, blue, purple, I kind of like that. But I think that's really fun, really sweet, and it's given me 11 minutes of chatter, and you can all laugh at me. So anyway, there we go. If you want to find the repositionable post-it notes, go along to my website and click on useful links and you'll find my Amazon storefront there. I've got them in there because they are brilliant, and yeah. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Fingers crossed for me, everybody, that on Friday, today that you're seeing this, my parcels turn up and then I can get an unboxing video out for you. Otherwise, not sure what's happening on Monday because I haven't got any more new product to play with. I have got new product, but I've already showed it over and over and over again. So I want to show you new. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.